Hello, this is a twinkle. It's for waltz, and it's a 6-count step. Starting with your left foot, you're gonna go left over right. You're gonna step right, and you're gonna step left, slightly turned. Now with your right foot, you're going to cross right over left, step left to the side, and slightly turn the right to the right side. So here we go. I'm going to turn around so you can watch me again. Right foot. You're going to cross, step, step, cross, step, step, cross, left, right, left, right, left. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this one with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you for watching.